Hey there, tech fans. Today I'd like to help you solve the problem of extending a DisplayPort connection more than 10 feet. And here's the scenario. You just purchased a brand new media player with a DisplayPort output that you've got sitting on top of your media center. You also have a ceiling mounted projector that has a DisplayPort input, and you'd like to connect the two. Now think about that. You've got to run a wire from your media center through the wall, up through the ceiling, and connect to that projector. But that's more than 10 feet. So you can't really use a standard DisplayPort cable for a couple of reasons I'll get into in a minute. So how do you make that connection? Well, if you try to use a standard DisplayPort cable, this is based on copper conductors inside of it, and you're fighting the laws of physics. It's actually Ohm's law, because the DisplayPort signal is a low voltage, high bandwidth signal, and the longer you make the cable, the more degradation in that signal occurs. So if you make it really long, by the time that signal traverses that cable, there's not enough of it left to actually display on your monitor. So you'll see things like pixelization, you'll see dropouts in the video, the quality will be reduced, and it's even worse if you're trying to broadcast 4K or 8K content. So how do you fix that? Well, Orei's figured that out. They offer this AOC cable, which is an active optical cable that actually plugs into your device and then plugs into your monitor or your projector. And what's different about this cable is the conductor inside of it is optical, and inside these hoods are specialized integrated circuits that on the media center side, you'll plug this into your media device, and inside here, the integrated circuit will convert that DisplayPort signal into an optical signal. So it's sending light pulses across that internal fiber optics to the other end of the cable, where it's converted back from that optical signal into a DisplayPort signal so you can see it on your monitor or on your overhead projector. And it's a unique cable that doesn't require anything but the cable. So all the power required for those integrated circuits comes from the DisplayPort on both ends that you plug it into. And this allows you to extend that connection 5 meters, 10 meters, or even 15 meters away, so there's plenty of room for you to plug this into your media center device, run it up the wall, run it across the ceiling, and plug it into your projector. It solves all those problems for you. And the best part about it is that it's plug and play simple. There's no external devices needed, power supplies, any kind of drivers. You basically just plug it in like you would a normal cable, and you're off and running. Now, you won't need this for short runs. You can use a standard cable if that media device and the monitor are close. These cables are good for 6 or 10 feet. I typically go with the 6-footers like this that are heavy-duty flexible cables that'll handle 8K video. But again, if I've got to go further than 6 feet, or especially if I go further than 10 feet, I need something like this that has that active optical cable technology built into it. Now, this product in front of me is the Orei AOC-DP8K, and it's available in 3 different lengths. Again, 5 meters, 10 meters, and 15 meters. I would always choose the cable length that's the shortest just to ensure I'm not going to have problems. But again, if you need to go 15 meters, which is almost 50 feet, this cable I have in front of me will do the job for you. So that solves the problem of extending that DisplayPort connection, again, more than 10 feet with a standard cable. And I know there are kits on the market that do that with 2 modules. So you can find kits that have a module at the transmitter end and a module at the receiver end, but then you've got to power up those modules. You've got a lot more technology. A cable like this solves that problem really simply by just plugging it into your devices. And that's pretty much all I had for today. So I hope you found this overview helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.